So welcome to the second part of today's lecture. So we are discussing the rules for changing to transform imperative to assertive and assertive to imperative vice versa. So as I said earlier that if you know the rules in one way, you will be able to apply these in another way also. Means if you know how to change from imperative to assertive, same case you will be able to know how to change from assertive to imperative also. So let's have a brief review, then we'll go for the previous class review. So first rule, it was we to add subject. If you want to change, if you want to make any sentence assertive, so you have to add subject, then should. So do the work, so you should do the work. And rule 2 says if you add please or kindly, it will be replaced by you are requested to. So please help me, so you are requested to help me. Then it comes do not. If you find do not, then it will be you should not. Do not run in the sun, so you should not run in the sun. And rule 4, it was never, and never will be replaced by you should never. So never tell a lie, so you should never tell a lie. And rule 5 says let us, and let us will be replaced by we should. So let us go out for a walk, so we should go out for a walk. Rule 6 says let and noun pronoun, so it will be replaced by subject plus might. So let him play football, so he might play football. So these are the rules for changing imperative to assertive. So in the same way you will be able to transform from assertive to imperative to. So now we'll go for a review of our previous class learning, and we'll evaluate actually what our learning was. So we'll see some exercise with the answer. And so do you remember what we learned earlier classes? We learned actually assertive, affirmative to negative and interrogative. So we'll go for actually affirmative to negative, how it was and how it worked. Let's see. First, it was affirmative to negative. We learned that if you find only, alone, merely, this will be replaced by none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. So you see many examples here. Only Allah can help us, so none but Allah can help us. He has only a ball, he has nothing but a ball. He has only 10 taka. So as it is amount number, so we'll take not more than or not less than. So he has not more than 10 taka. Allah alone can help us, so none but Allah can help us. So this is also man, for it will be also none but, it is also person, none but it has only bought only a shirt, so it is product or things, so we'll take nothing but. He was only 22, so he was not more than 22, it is number, so we'll take not more than. Only Allah can save me, so none but Allah can save me. Only the old man was alone alive, so none but the old man was alone alive. So only the brave deserves the fair, so none but the brave deserve the fair. Only the moon was visible, so is also thing, so we'll take nothing but the moon was visible. He has only a few toys, so he has not more than a few toys. So these are affirmative to negative that we learned earlier, and we see actually the examples. We also finished examples earlier. Now we'll go for advanced or extended examples. Now also another form and some other rules. It is must. If you find must in affirmative sentence, it will be replaced by cannot but or cannot help. Do you remember? Yes. So if you find cannot help, that bit time ing will be added with the verb. So we must obey our parents, so we cannot but obey our parents. And if you take cannot help, then it will be we cannot help obeying our parents. So we must realize the fact and come forward against corruption. So for must, we'll take cannot but. So we cannot but realize the fact and come forward against corruption. Man must submit to destiny. So it will be like man cannot but submits to destiny. you must obey your teacher. So it will be like you cannot but obey your teacher. And last it was we must go from one house to another in fair weather or foul. So you cannot but go from one house to another. So for must, again cannot but, for must, cannot but, cannot help, this much. So these are very simple. If you find must, then it will be cannot but or cannot help. Then another affirmativity, if you find both, it will be replaced by not only but also. So both Dolan and Dola were excited. So not only Dolan but so Dola were excited to be. He was obedient and gentle. She was not only obedient but also gentle. So these are the review of previous class. We have gone through two rules here, and only, alone, merely. For this we will take none but, nothing but, not more than, not less than. And for must we will take cannot but, cannot help. For both we will take not only but also. This we had gone through earlier. I think you do not have any problem. Still, as it is grammar, if you do not keep in touch, then you will forget the things. So my suggestion to you, do not detach from study, cling to study and go for the exercise, go for the rules, solve exercise, go for model questions, solve model question and solve exercise from online sources. Whenever you find time, then you should go for exercise, because it's grammar. Without practicing you will forget the things, or if you practice more, then it will enhance your capability to solve the grammar items. So thank you so much for listening, for watching. We are done for this. Next class we will go for another segment, exclamatory, assertive to exclamatory and vice versa. Okay, so if you find any problem, talk to me, and next week we will go for new topic, maybe suffix, prefix, or punctuation marks, all the items we have gone through so far. And but we'll have review, so go for the things, and it's up to you, as school is closed and normal classes are suspended, so you have ample time at your hand, so you to utilize your time properly. Okay. So that's all for today. Keep fine. Happy study. So if you find any problem, then I suggest you to knock me through my messenger, or you can make comments there. And I want everyone to join city, and it's a chance to evaluate your learning outcome. So don't miss the chance to miss city. Okay, thank you.